Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about retinol, how to include retinol into the night skincare routine. You all must be aware that it is one of the best anti-aging products and to reduce the fine lines, wrinkles, to even out the skin tone and also to minimize the pores. You can see here I have mentioned 6 products. These are the retinol range available in the brand Ordinary. You can also see retinoid and retinol as well. Basically, retinoids are the advanced version of common retinols, so which is more effective and unlikely to cause any side effects also. So hence it is shows more improvement than retinols. In this, you can see in the top row it is retinoid. The minimum strength is always start with the lowest strength. In the retinoid, the minimum strength is 2%, and the high strength is 5%. And there are 2% also same. One is in emulsion, one is in squalane. Both having the same strength, but the texture is different. Emulsion means it is more like into the creamy texture, and in squalane means it is like an oily kind of texture. That's about retinoids. Then comes to the retinol. It is starting with 0.2%. That is in squalane. Squalane also it's like a oily kind of texture. And next goes to 0.5, and then the highest strength is 1%. Now comes layering the products into the skin. That means which order the products should go into the skin. First comes water-based products, and then comes oil-based products. After that only creams and suspensions. So let's start. First, cleanser, any hydrating gentle cleanser, and then second step is toner, any hydrating toner you can use. Next is hyaluronic acid, which is a water-based serum, so it goes first. Then only ordinary retinoid. Here I am using 2% in squalane. Next comes my eye cream. Then moisturizing cream. Here I am using CeraVe moisturizing cream. Always start with cleansing the face, then comes toner, which is an optional step. You can use either with cotton pads or directly with your hands. Next comes water-based products. I am using hyaluronic acid serum here, which is also an optional step. Also, applying retinoids on the well-hydrated skin can decrease the irritation. As I said, it is an oil kind of texture, or we can say anhydrous solution. So apply retinoid, apply only 2 to 3 drops all over the face and neck in a patting motion. Now under eyes, I am using cream here, so I am using in this step. If you are using eye serums, you can use right after the cleansing step, that is in the second step. And the final one, creams, that is moisturizing cream. This is the last step. And if you are new to the retinol or retinoids, in some people it may cause redness or irritation. In that case, instead of applying directly, you can mix it with the moisturizer. Take the moisturizer and mix it with 2 to 3 drops of retinol. Mix it well and apply it all over the face. So just start in this way and check how it goes. If the skin tolerance level is okay for you, then start applying directly. Always start with the lowest strength. Apply only 1 to 3 drops for the entire face and neck area. Include in the night skincare routine, and the next day applying sunscreen is a must. Start with thrice in a week. In case any redness or irritation, reduce the frequency of application like once in a week. I suggest applying it on the well hydrated skin. It can reduce the irritation. So you can use any good hydrating product like hyaluronic acid. Like I used in the third step, hyaluronic acid for extra hydration. It is not advisable to use during pregnancy and for breastfeeding moms. And regarding this Ordinary brand, once the bottle is opened, it lasts only 3 months. And if it is open, keep it refrigerated. There are many other brands available in the market. So while buying, choose the lowest strength and do patch test. So guys, this is all about retinol, and I hope I covered almost everything. Because I used to get messages in my Insta page regarding the retinol. If you have any doubts, you can write in the comment section, or you can PM me in the Instagram page as well. We'll see in the next video. Until then, bye-bye.